Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks L case. Hey, we have the M case up here too, but we're going to look at that another day. So for now, we're going to just concentrate on the L case. So as always, with the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, FYJ44 on the case code there. This is the L case code. 8 pieces in the Monster Trucks case. I hear there's a chance for a treasure hunt, but at least with my luck, it doesn't seem likely lately. So we're going to crack this open and see what we got. Thank you to Jcar Diecast for sending this case over. Check out Jcar Diecast for all your Monster Trucks needs. All right, let's see what we have. First one out of the case here is the Hotweiler, right? Yeah, the Hotweiler. Okay, all blue Hotweiler. Got some what are them, bones and claws. Those are definitely some new tires, I think. I don't recall seeing those before. The Hotweiler, new for 2024. All right, next one out of the case is, all right, we got the Nissan Frontier, right? Have we seen this casting before? I don't recall. The Nissan Frontier. The little Nissan badge in the front, Nissan there. So definitely a new casting. Interesting. All green and orange. The little map there on it. Interesting. It's a nice one there. All right, next one out of the case. Okay, we have the Power Smashers, the subline, right? The subline of Monster Trucks, the Monster Trucks Power Smashers, and they have their own series here. They got their own kind of distinct look with the clear tires, right? Semi-clear, translucent tires, and then the body's got like kind of like an electric shockwave lightning bolt going through it. So, and then kind of a clear the frame on there. So interesting. All right, here's one I think people will be after. It is the Barbie Meyers Manx, right? There's a Meyers Manx, Barbie 65, inspiring stories, shaping the future, and Barbie Pink. Always popular, at least in the Monster Trucks line. It's been a popular deco for Monster Trucks, hence why I think we'll see it going forward. Meyers Manx is a new Hot Wheels Monster Trucks casting. This isn't the first one, however, but this is a second color for 2024. I think this one is based off of the new Boulevard Meyers Manx, the casting. All right, next one out of the case is the Power Smashers Skela-saurus. So we just saw the Skela-saurus, I think it was like in the E case, right? Or the F case for Monster Trucks make its debut. I actually have that one handy. Let's take a look and see. Is this one any different? I think it might be the same. Yeah, so the Power Smashers is the same as a common variant of this one. Well, that's a little disappointing. But it's still like a super cool truck. It was cool seeing this one in person at the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live event. Yes, totally the same though. So, but Skela-saurus, it was a fan favorite. It was a favorite of my sons at the event, so they paid the $10 fee for a Skela-saurus for each of them. So they are Skela-saurus fans going forward. All right, next one out of the case. We have the Tuck and Roll. The Tuck and Roll is back. Oh, really cool kind of octopus sushi deco, right? Sushi delivery. I have to say, some of the Monster Truck decos are just some of the coolest decos I've seen. I think they have a little extra, play with the, kind of what they could do in terms of graphics and stuff like that. But they just always look really cool. So there's the three-wheeled Tuck and Roll, based off, a tuk-tuk. All right, so that's 6 cars in the case. We got 2 left. We have another appearance of the Mega Wrex. It doesn't appear like this one is much different than the previous versions. It's from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. Very common to see a lot of these in a lot of the mixes because they do sell a lot of these at on the tour because they are actual trucks. So that one is there. And last but not least, we have a new casting, a new truck. It is the Batmobile, the Tumbler. The Batmobile Tumbler monster truck. We got a giant turbine engine on the back. So, kind of an interesting, I guess if you're going to do a Batmobile, you do the Tumbler, right? Kind of an off-road utility vehicle. Yeah, it just makes sense. All black. Look at that. It's almost like a chase. It's not the chase, or it's not a treasure hunt or anything like that, but it is all black. Not a single color or graphic on it. That's pretty cool, actually. So, all in all, 8 castings, 8 monster trucks in this case. The Batman is new. The Nissan Frontier, I believe, is new. The Barbie, well, the Meyers Manx is somewhat new. It's in the Barbie scheme. That's new. So is the Hotweiler. The Demo Derby is new. The Tuk Tuk, I think, you know what? It doesn't say new for 24, so I'm guessing we've actually seen this one before. Same with the Skela-saurus and the Mega Wrex. So 5 new releases for this case and 3 repeats. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll talk there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out Jcar Diecast for your Hot Wheels Monster Trucks needs.